so. Okay, guys, example number 3 says, write the equation in slope-intercept function form and graph the equation. Okay, what do I need to do here? What's the first thing I should do here? Arjun?
Minus x.
Okay, I'm going to subtract x from both sides, and I'm going to get 5y is equal to negative x plus 5. Remember, in function form, the x always comes before the constant. A constant's a number without a variable. Okay, what's the next thing that I do, Ben?
Divide everything by 5.
Divide everything by 5. Everything gets divided by 5. So this gives me y is equal to negative 1/5 x plus 1. Now, wait a minute. What did he do with the x? Why did he stick it out to the side there? I mean, it was on top, right? It was negative x over 5, but now he wrote negative 1/5 x. Why did he do that, Joe?
It's being multiplied.
It is being multiplied, right? Negative 1/5 times x does equal negative x over 5. That's true. Why do you think, Eric?
Because that's going to be the slope.
That's going to be our slope. Exactly, Eric. Good job. Thank you, sir. So, I've got my slope right here. I've got my y-intercept right there. I'm going to write them separately. Slope is equal to negative 1/5 x. Remember, it's always the coefficient in front of the x. Okay? And then my y-intercept is going to be positive 1, which is always the constant, the number at the back. What do I do first if I want to graph this thing? Ian?
Find the y-intercept.
Okay, and the y-intercept is 1. Here's y, here's x. So what do I do?
Put 1 on y. Put a little dot at the 1.
Put a little dot at the 1 on y. Good. Where do I go from there now? Where do I go from there, Fredo?
Go down 1.
Down 1 because it's negative 1. So I go down 1,
And over 5.
and then I run 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? And I always do that from the y-intercept. Okay? Now, I could go back 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up 1, right? If I go back 5 and up 1, that's a slope that looks like that, right? Because I ran negative. But we don't like, we always want to put our negative on top, just so we do it the same way every time, okay? And then we just draw a line. Done. That's a picture of what? What is that a picture of? Now everyone's ready. Alexander?
All the answers to the function.
All the answers to the function. All the solutions to the equation. All right? Great job, guys. One more example before you're ready for your homework.